All protocols have been observed. Mrs. Francis, CEO of the STB, Minister Saint-Ange, Chairman of the Africa Tourism Board, members of the press, and everybody who is here tonight are friends, our friends, and good friends too. We are not too many people tonight. I don't like many people, I like good people. All right? I wish to thank each and every one of you. Tonight, we are rebranding Mars Millions. Mars Millions started, the spirit started a few years ago, my brother and myself. But the actual stroke of the match or flick of the lighter happened in 2017 when we officially launched Mars Millions. We were a very, and still are, a very small group, but very effective, very hardworking, small team. In my thank yous, I have to say special thank you to my husband who's here tonight. Thank you for the support. Everything else, I will thank my son who is here. I will thank the press for your continued support. I will thank Mrs. Francis. Thank you for believing, and thank you for your support thus far. And I am sure we will go further. And my heart tells me that maybe there are good things to come. We'll share little secrets after. And another big thank you to my new friends. I have, Mehdi, do you remember me? I blew you a kiss when you came in, but you just walked past me and... oh, all right. Okay. Thank you for being here. Mehdi comes from? Rwanda. And tonight I will also thank those who are not with us physically, but in spirit. I think of my other son in Australia. I think of friends in England. I thank Spain, Barcelona. I say thank you to the USA. You know who you are. So we've got lots of friends all around the world. A little bit of history as to why Mars International. I've been organizing, I promise not to be too long, I will not be too long. I've been doing lotteries for quite a few years, and very often you have tourists who ask, can I participate in this? Can I buy this? And it's always a little bit uncomfortable. I remember once we had a lottery that had a plot of land, and we had to keep saying to everyone who was buying a ticket, sorry, you are not eligible to buy. A ticket is a ticket, public is public to me. That's it. So, today, when a tourist will want to participate in our lottery, we will be so happy to tell you, darling, this is what you can get. A nice trip, quality trip back to Seychelles. Daniel will come later and talk about the products. By the way, Daniel, thank you very much for all your hard work. And Juliana, thank you so much. To be here today has been an exhausting, tough, tiring, but we've achieved it today. We are here today. It started small, but oh, I forgot my French Tene in Greenland, who's waiting for us to tell her when we are starting selling. We're starting selling on Friday, online and locally here. Yesterday night, I saw two lonely men sitting at Treasure Cove. I don't like to see men sitting all alone by themselves. So, they are now our new friends. I thank Mr. Ashraf from Egypt, Cairo, Mr. Bernard Metzger. He's from Thailand. Mr. Jürgen, oh, there you are. Yeah. Mr. Jürgen is based in Honolulu. What does that tell us? From Honolulu, from Thailand, from Egypt to Seychelles, to see what is this Mars Millions lottery thing. Thank you so much. I think by the mere fact that you are here means you believe. And by the time you leave, you're going to believe even more. And we are going to do this together, all of us here. Let us give ourselves a clap. Okay, so we know the history of Mars, how it started. All of us here local know. My friends from overseas, we have sat down, we have chatted, we've done all the explaining. So I will not go into those details now because we know already. But one thing, I am now going to stop talking because otherwise I will keep talking. So Mars, not too many people. We had some new staff start for us 2-3 weeks ago. And my question to them, what is Mars to you? What does Mars mean? And they didn't know. Oh well, for those who don't know, Mars is myself. I am not alone. I'm with one of the best men in the world. My baby brother of 9 children. So, please, Alan, A is the A in Mars. There is no Z. Z is the apostrophe S. Mars, Marie-France, Alan, apostrophe S. We played with words and we just said Mars Millions. So this is what Mars is about. But come next to me, man. I'm not alone in this, huh? He doesn't like talking, so we'll just... Please come forward, Alan. He told me make sure you don't make me speak. That's okay. I've spoken for him. I love him and all that he is about, my baby brother. Without him, Mars would not be the Mars that it is today. When I kind of say, oh, I'm a little bit wary and I don't know about this. But when he says yes, I believe. When he says we will do this, I have learned to believe. So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to get him to lift his hand up and point you to the screen. Mars Millions, we are ready to launch and rebrand. Thank you.